How to add polls on Instagram Reels. Hi guys, let's get started. First, open the Instagram application on your phone and swipe left to access the camera. Now you can record your reel or select a video from your camera roll. After you've added your video, tap on the smiley face icon in the top of your screen. And now select the poll sticker from the list of options. You can customize your poll by adding a question and 2 answer options. You can also move the poll sticker to the desired location on the reel by dragging it with your fingers. Once you have positioned your poll, tap on the Done option in the upper right corner of your screen to save it. Now you can share the reel by tapping on the share button. That's it. You have successfully added a poll to your Instagram reel. Your viewers will be able to vote on your poll by tapping on one of the answer options, and you can see the results of your poll in your reel inside. That's it. So we hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more great contents. Thanks for watching.